Hi there. So I wanted to walk you through how to register for our upcoming event and then also show you how the lobby in different features look in the Zoom event platform. And so our event is on February 15th, and it's the Early STEAM Spring Seminar. So there's two ways to register. You can actually register with an existing Zoom account. And so when you click this button, it will prompt you to sign in to your existing Zoom account and then complete the registration form through that way. Or you can just register with any email, and it will actually send you an email with a verification code that you then type in this platform to register. If you have already registered but cannot find the email, you're able to click this button down here. It says resend guest ticket. And so that will resend the guest ticket for you to log in. Once you register, these buttons will then say join the lobby. And so when you join the lobby of our event, you come up here. And so on the blue bar, this is kind of where the menu is. And so you can see the different items that we have available. Then as we focus more in the center, you can see our little countdown and our banner. And then on the right-hand side, this is where we have our lobby chat. So you can chat with other attendees, or you can ask questions to our team and we will get back to you. If any other questions come up, feel free to either put them here or email us. Also, if you look up here in the right-hand corner, this is where announcements will show up. So we will have a few announcements throughout the night show up here. To see the announcements, all you do is press show more. Then you can read what the announcement says. If the announcement is linked to a different page, you can then click the other button. So this one's linked to the keynote page. And it's talking about the materials needed. And so you can scroll down here and see that our presenters are requesting that you have some materials on hand to play along. However, they do mention that if you don't have these items gathered for the event, it's totally okay and you can still follow along. All right. So I then want to show you the session tab. So up here on the blue bar, I'm going to click on sessions, and this is where you'll be able to navigate to view what the sessions are all about and also join the different webinars for these sessions. And so if I click on a session, it will bring me to that sessions page. You can see the title of the session up here, what time it is at, and information about the speakers, information about what age groups they will be talking to or what the information is relevant for, and then a description of that session. And so each of the different sessions has its own individual page, which can be viewed by clicking on the name. You can also add the session to your agenda using this little bookmark right here on the right-hand side. And so when I bookmark it here, it then shows up on my agenda, which I will show in just a second. To join each of the sessions, there will be a blue button that pops up down here where my cursor is kind of circling, and that's where you can actually join the session. And so when you click on that, it will have you join in the Zoom application on your computer. As any other Zoom meeting or webinar, it will look just like that. And so that blue button will be on all of the sessions. As you can see, we have our keynote starting at 6 p.m. Pacific time with a 10-minute break at 7 to 7:10. And then following that break, we will have 5 breakout sessions going on, and you can choose one to go to. Everything will be recorded and available for viewing after the event. So as I mentioned before, you can bookmark things to your session or to your agenda, excuse me, and you can go to the tab under your agenda. And this is where they will all pop up. And so once you bookmark things here, you can just come here and click on them and then join the session through this tab as well. Also on the upper menu bar, we have the tab for speakers, which you can navigate to and learn all about our different speakers. And then when you click on that last tab, People, you will be able to see who is joining for the event, and you'll be able to connect through the different chat features and other functions here to engage with some of your fellow attendees. All right, well, that is a quick introduction to our event that is happening on February 15th. We are so excited that you will be joining us, and we will see you then.